Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 4-07, the rear axle collar for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Okay, so let's go File, New, MMGS, or Part MMGS. Okay, let's go right plane, Sketch. I'm going to start with a circle first. Do a circle there. Do another one there. And let's do the dimension on this. It's going to be 10. And this one's going to be 9.5 by 2, because the radius is 9.5, but we've got the whole circle at the moment, so it's going to be 19. Then we're going to go to, let's go another circle. One. Let's just do one for now, because it's going to be a hole through there, but it's going to be raised up first, then the hole, so it means you have to do it twice otherwise. Let's just do one circle for now. That's going to be 67. And that's going to be dimension of, let's see what they have it, from there to there. Oh, missed. There we go. It's going to be 46. There we go, beautiful. Now we want to go one on here, yep. There we go, one there, and one there we go. So we want, actually put those two as horizontal. That point and that point's going to be, nope, sorry, that side and that side's going to be tangent. There we go. Those two are going to be, try again, there we go, tangent. Okay, can we bring, oh, before we do anything, that circle, the center of that circle will be vertical. There we go, that's locked in. There we go, that's what we want. Want that click in there, perfect. Those two will be there. That will click in there, that's locked, so good. Then these two will be tangent, beautiful. And that's defined, good. Okay, let's get a trim tool. We want to get rid of that one and that one, beautiful. And this one, you be careful if you're going closer, don't take it too much. There we go. And that is the initial one there, beautiful. So there we go. Extrude, that's going to be 6s of 8. That can be just mid-plane, doesn't make any difference. Nope, I don't see any difference. That can be just mid-plane, that's fine. There's that one for now. Okay, so now this normal, sketch, circle, and that's going to be, where are we? $38. That's going extrude out 11. And done. There we go, that's good, that's good, that's good. Let's do this face again. Sketch. It's going to be another circle. Just move the cursor over, don't click anything. then it brings up this center section, center of that circle, and that's going to be 25. 25. That's going to be feature, extrude, oops, sorry, not extrude, extrude cut. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing too soon. Let's change that to through all and done. There we go, beautiful. That's what we want. Okay, so now let's go to normal 2. And this face here, we want this one here. You could do that one, just go through all. So it could be either one. But let me move the cursor, get the center and go out. And that's going to be construction. And that's going to be 50. 50. Now we want, let's see, 4 circles. 1, 2. I could do this like rotation mirror, but it's only 4, so, and they line up perfect there. So I'm just going to do it this way. Now 4 mil. 4 mil. Now if we click on that, that, and that, whoop, and that, and they're going to be equal. There we go. And that's going to go through all. So feature, extrude, through all, and done. There we go. Now we want to hold this side. So let's go to, nope. We want front plane, normal, front plane, sketch. We've got a hole there, which is going to be halfway, I believe. No, it's not. Nope, it's not halfway between that, okay. But it's going to be about there. It's going to line up with that one. That's going to be, how big's that hole? 6. It's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. And that's going to be from that outer edge to the center. It's going to be 7 mil. Now the center line there. Okay, I can't find it. Don't let me do it. Let me go center line. There it is. There to there. It's just a construction line in there, and that's locked it in. Alright, so let's go feature, extrude cut, through all, both directions. Oops, already done, beautiful. Because we're going, I've got a mill there, so both directions, and done. There we go. That one's done. So now we just need to chamfer. Yep, that's good. Okay, so let's just do a chamfer of, say, 2. There we go, that's good. Around there, and around there. So we need, let's maybe just try, actually one. It doesn't give you a measurement, but it shows the chamfer there. Actually, 1's perfect. It's on there. Okay, that's worked out good. Okay, so, but we need to put a press fit piece in there, so let me just open up a new file. Part MMGS. We're going to go front view, sketch. It's going to be a circle. Shows us one piece. It's 2 pieces press fit, but shows it as one piece in the parts section. That's going to be 6 mil. 6. Feature extrude mid plane doesn't have to be mid plane, and that's going to be a total of 41. And done. Now I'm going to change that piece to metal, steel, put that one. There we go. Now that's going to be saved as what does the zero rear axle color pin. There we go. Now let me do a new one. It's got assembly MMGS. We're going to go over to this one. There, beautiful. And then we're going to bring out the pin. There we go. Now we want a mate. Center, beautiful. Yep. Now it's 41. So it's 3 mils long. This is 3 mils long than that, so that means this here is going to be 1 mil. Ooh, that's going to be curved. That might make it hard. That's fine. That's fine. Go. Let's see. 41 divided by 2, which is 20.5, and that's going to be from front planes, Lee. Oh man, I thought front planes. I thought front plane middle. Ah, no, I put it that way, didn't I? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, front planes there. But it was in the middle. Let's see what happens if I click on that one and click on that one. Yeah, it puts it there. Let me. What if I put 41? Nope. Oop. 21, 1. 10, 12. That's weird, it goes that way. 10, 7. It goes weird. 12, 13, 11. That's so weird. Let's see. Do I put 0? 0. Nope. Interesting. On center 0. One. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, let's cancel that. Something's gone wrong. Okay, that was interesting. Okay, let's actually hold on. I know what may work. Come on, thank you. Dimension from origin to that point, which can be 21, 41. Oops, sorry. 41. 40. 39.5. There we go. There we go. And done. Alright, that's part 4-07. The rear axle color done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Thanks for coming along. Do appreciate it. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.